Hello and welcome to this episode of Speak PR. My name is Jim James and I'm your host. And on this podcast, I like to share thoughts and tips about how to get noticed. Now, if you are running an organization and you know you've got value locked up, you're just trying to find some ways to communicate that to your staff or your partners or to your potential and existing customers, this podcast is for you. I've got over 25 years of running an international public relations agency. I've also set up 8 companies on 3 continents. So what I share on this podcast are tools and tips and best practices that I know will work for companies big and small. Today, we're going to take a look at polling. And polls, because we're seeing with the elections coming up and also the impact of COVID where people are being polled, that organizations, governments, companies, and political parties use polls to create compelling content. And content is